Well, hey there guys and gals, how are you doing? How have you been? You been okay the past couple months? I know you haven't seen me for a while, but I am back. So much going on. Weather too has been terrible, but today it is not. It is sunny, it's 53 degrees, it's February 12th, and I am up here in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, and we are going to check out Shiprock Woods Nature Preserve. Sounded interesting. It's not far from where I live in Port Deposit. It's about a half-hour drive, so I said, it's a beautiful day. Let's go out and check it out. So you and I are going to check it out together. Let's go. That's where I parked down there. I'm working my way up this trail, and it is actually a very steep hill. That's fine. We got this. We'll see where this takes us. And it is a bit windy, so I apologize for that if you're hearing some wind. But it is, like I said, a beautiful day for this time of year anyway. So this trail that I just came up, it was really steep from where I parked my car. And we're pretty high up, as you can see. You can see really far away out there. Pretty view. Pretty view. Let's go do some more exploring. This trail here kind of loops around up that way, and you can see they have markers in blue on the trees. But again, check out this view. There's a house right over there. Trying to zoom in on it. There they are. And then it kind of goes down into a little valley down there. So we're gonna go up this way here. I really like that they have the blue markers on the trees and they're not so far apart either. And there's another one right there. So very easy to follow. And I think this trail is about a mile and a half. It kind of loops around. See, there's another one there. There's one up ahead there. Gotta watch out for things like that when you're walking along holding a camera. Now we're heading back up another hill here. That's the blue marker. So it looks like we're going to be heading down this way. Got to be careful because it is a little bit muddy. It could be slippery too. It looks like, well, there once looks like was steps down here. They are on the other side. We're gonna go. Just take it easy here. Be safe. The last thing I need to do is slip and fall on my back, which I've been having some problems with lately. And there we go, we made it to the other side. There's the blue marker up there, so we're headed in the right direction. So I came up from that way, crossing over. Now we're going up another very steep hill. Gonna make it to the top. Made it to the top of the hill. Now we're going back over on the other side. This is a pretty massive tree right here. Very big. Wow. Here's the view from this side. Very nice. I'm not really a big fan of winter. It's probably my least favorite season, but there are many things I like about it. And one of them is this time of year, when you go out hiking, you can see a lot more because there's no leaves on the tree. So you have more of a view, and if you're looking for something particular in the woods, you'll find it a lot easier. So that's one of the good things that I like about winter. But on a day like today, when it's in the 50s, it's even better. So this trail is like a figure eight. I actually came up that way, and you can see some people there that are going the way that I came up, and they're going to be looping around and coming back this way where I am right now, heading back down this area of the trail. All those birds there, they got startled. You can see there's a lot of them. It's Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. We'll take a look at this. Had to be a strong wind to knock this tree down right over this stream here. There's a house up there. Well, looky here. No telling what you're gonna find when you go out hiking these days. That's so cool. And you can tell it's been around for a long time. Some type of let's see here. Yeah, fireplace. And here's a little bit of looks like it's some type of foundation right there. I could be wrong. There's some over there. Was there once a house here? Anybody know? Let me know. Very cool. Take another look at that. That's great. And again, the view from where I am. Very nice. It's just so pretty. Glad I came out today. Long overdue. And it feels good to be walking around. There's no better medicine than getting out and doing vlogs like this. There's the blue marker on the tree. Heading down this way now to see what else we are going to come across. And yet we have another very steep hill to climb. Let me tell you guys something. For not doing this for over 2 months, I can tell. But it feels good at the same time. It really does. To get out, get some fresh air, especially on a nice February day, as it is today in the 50s. So I worked my way down this trail here, and it looks like it's gonna take us back down to Shiprock Road, which is where I parked my car. And I already see it down there, but there is more to see that's on the other side, so we're gonna go over and check that out next. So I made it to the other side. I was back up that way before. And this is Shiprock Road right here. So I crossed the street and came over this way. And here's this house here. Doesn't look like anybody's living in it. But where I want to go is over there. The only way to get to it is across this little river here. So I'm going to try to find another way to get across so we can go check that out today as well. And I'll show you all what I mean about getting across this river, because I don't see anywhere where I could cross. But there are people over there on the other side, and there is a trail. But check this out, very pretty. And as far as this house, kind of creepy looking. Looks rather old in some areas, like the side here. Looks pretty empty to me. What do you think? I don't see any private property signs, so I'm not going to worry about that. Maybe there's a way down here to cross, but I don't think so. We're going to have to find another way, guys. Another way. Now look at the side porch on this. It is falling apart. So what I did learn is right across this river here, right up there, that is what is called a disc golf course. I wasn't familiar with it, but I looked it up, and it's similar to golf, but there's no clubs involved, and players throw discs at targets. You got me, but hey, you learn something every day. Disc golf. And I see people out there playing. And who knows, it could be a lot of fun to check out sometime. Alright guys, so that trail that I want to go to is called the Trout Run Trail, but I'm going to leave that for another day. It's getting late on this Saturday, February 12th, so I'm going to come back and check that out, and maybe even check out the disc golf course, because that sounds pretty interesting. So I'm going to end the vlog right here in front of this spooky old house. Is anything happening back there? Hope not. But anyway, thanks for your patience. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. It's been a long 2 months, but we're back. You're going to see a lot more fun things coming your way. And I want to thank you again for watching all my vlogs and staying tuned. So until the next time, this is Pete. Take care of each other. Be a good person. Be nice. I'll see you next time. Peace.